Our packaging is straightforward, employing eco-friendly single-color water-based printing. Our spiral dough hooks are crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, seamlessly molded without any welding. They undergo meticulous hand polishing, and there are no chemical coatings involved. This is a C-shaped dough hook, and its straight side causes the dough to receive lateral force, making it roll along the bowl's sides. This leads to uneven kneading, affecting the dough's texture and potentially impacting baking results. Our spiral dough hook features an S-shaped side, which applies continuous downward pressure on the dough, keeping it at the bottom of the bowl during kneading. This ensures a more even and superior kneading effect.